Hello guys, today I came up with an interesting video. So in this video I'm gonna show you a great app where you can solve any kind of math in 1 minute. So let's go check it out. So first you have to click on Play Store, then search Qanda Qanda free math solution, then click install, and it's installing. Then click on open. Then connect whichever thing you want to connect. I want to connect with Google, so I will go with Google. So yeah, it's opened. So you have to give camera permission. Just give it allow. I have a math, so I'm gonna show you how this solve a math. So I have to click on gallery. Then I have to go to so this is the math, and I will just click on this arrow, right arrow. So it's going on. Yeah, it will solve. And look, it's the result of this math. There is so many results. You can select whichever you want to select. So that's it guys. That's how you can solve any kinds of math from this app. So thank you guys for enjoying this video, and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.